Hi guys! For today's video, I wanted to share with you how I train my biceps, triceps, and arms. Basically, these workouts are included now when I perform my chest and back workouts. For my chest workout, nasunod ako ng triceps. And for my back workout naman, nasunod ako ng biceps. Pero for this vlog, I made a video na more focused on biceps and triceps na madaling masundan and perfect sa mga beginners na nag-gym. Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin? In 3, 2, 1, let's go! Let's start with overhead triceps push down. This workout can help increase overall arm and lockout strength and upper body mass for strength, power, and fitness of athletes. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Then let's proceed to overhead triceps extension. This workout targets the long head of the tricep muscles. Another 12 reps, 3 sets here. On our third workout, we will do straight bar triceps push down. To perform this, bring the bar down until it touches the front of your thighs and the arms are fully extended perpendicular to the floor. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Next, same bar but this time we will do the reverse. Same position, feel the intense in your triceps. Let's do another 12 reps, 3 sets here. For our fifth workout, we will do overhead dumbbell triceps extension. Slowly bend your elbows and lower the weight behind your head as far as you can. Another 12 reps, 3 sets here. And next, we will use this machine for triceps. This is similar to dips. This workout targets the long head and medial head tricep muscles. Another 12 reps, 3 sets here. For our last triceps workout, we will do the triceps dumbbells extension. The single arm dumbbell triceps extension is a popular exercise targeting the triceps one side at a time. It targets all 3 heads of the triceps. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Now let's move on to another set of program for biceps, starting with dumbbells biceps curls. Curls work the biceps muscles at the front of the upper arm and the muscles of the lower arm, the brachialis and the brachioradialis. Very basic start program for biceps. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Next, barbell preacher curls. The barbell preacher curl is an exercise that focuses on building the biceps, particularly the biceps peak. All you need is a barbell and a preacher bench. It's usually performed for moderate to high reps as part of an upper body and arms focused workout. 12 reps, 3 sets here. For our third workout, we will do hammer curls. This exercise is best performed with a set of dumbbells. While standing, hold dumbbells at your sides with your palms facing each other. Keep your back straight and your elbows against your sides. Again, we'll do 12 reps, 3 sets here. Then, let's go to the machine. We will do standing cable crossover biceps curls. Begin by holding each cable and elevating your elbows at shoulder height. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Next, cable biceps curls. Similar to the first workout, but this time we are using cable and straight bar. Another 12 reps, 3 sets here. To finish our workout, let's hit the forearms. Just reverse and hold the bar. Perform it well. Breathe and feel the tension. 12 reps, 3 sets here. And that's it for our triceps and biceps workouts. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Hit mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong upload. Salamat!